Hey guys, last episode में मैंने आपको दिखाया था Amsterdam nightlife, city center and many places to eat. And in today's video, I'm going to show you my day 2 at Amsterdam, wherein I have taken a boat ride. So let's go and see it. Amsterdam is home to stroopwafels, and your trip is incomplete if you have not tasted stroopwafels from Amsterdam. I started my day from this shop with the stroopwafel. There are a lot of varieties of stroopwafels which you can try, like chocolate, Nutella, and candy, and so many more. But मैंने simple chocolate वाला ही try किया था. Also, they have vegan options. बोट राइड के स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट्स तो बहुत सारे हैं. एक तो था जो मैंने आपको कल दिखाया था फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल स्टेशन, एंड देयर इज़ अनदर वन विच स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम एन फ्रैंक म्यूजियम. तो मैंने एन फ्रैंक वाला चूज़ किया था बिकॉज सो दैट आई कैन ऑल्सो हैव द टाइम टू विजिट द एन फ्रैंक म्यूजियम एंड देन टेक द बोट राइड विच वॉज जस्ट 20 minutes फ्रॉम द सिटी सेंटर. But unfortunately, I could not make it to the Anne Frank Museum because the tickets were sold until end of November. So guys, if you want to go to the Anne Frank Museum, buy the tickets well in time. So they suggested me at least 4-5 months before. This is where she lived. Now they have converted it into a museum. ये वैसे लग नहीं रहा था because it's so beautiful right now from outside, and in the books and in the pictures which we have seen, it's totally different. But I wish I could go inside. Amsterdam is called the city of canals, and a trip to Amsterdam is incomplete without one boat ride. So now let's go and see the boat ride. When it comes to choosing the boat ride, you have multiple options. So you have one open boat which we took, जहाँ पे एक guide होता है and he explain everything around which you see. So आप ये choose कर सकते हैं. And then there is another one which is like the big boat and there are a lot of people. So there in that one they give you a headset and जहाँ पे audio record होता है. The ride started with these bridges and then the traditional houses, so many cycles, and many more. Our guide was so nice, he was telling us everything because मैंने छोटी boat book किया था and there were like only 20 people and one guide. So we had time to ask him questions, asking about the houses which you see on your way. So guys, it's a very nice option to explore the city. During the boat ride, I got to know that the Amsterdam city is UNESCO certified heritage city, which means you cannot change the houses and their dimensions. तभी आपको सारे जितने भी घर दिख रहे हैं सब एक साइज के हैं, like, and the colors are also almost same. I guess that is why this city looks so beautiful because सब कुछ almost same ही है and it's uniform. Also, it's very easy to get lost into the roads and the canals. After a while, we reached to the river, and again, it was an amazing sight to see the river and the city from outside as well. I was lucky enough because मैं अक्टूबर में गई थी when every second day is rainy day, but I was lucky it was beautiful sunny day so that you can get yourself soaked into the sun while boating around the canals. The boat ride was for an hour and it was really worth it every minute. We were on the boat, we got more information about the city, about the history of Netherlands, about the Holland, and many more. Amsterdam city center is huge and it's not possible to cover in one day. So after the boat ride, we straight away come to the city center and आज का plan था to explore more. And then I ended up into this beautiful candy shop. Guys, it was so pretty from inside. And there were so many candies. Like, I don't know the name. There are like multiple. You can see it from here. So बहुत सारे थे. I'm not a candy person because I don't like sweet. So मैंने try नहीं किया. But if you are in Amsterdam and if you like sweet, or even if you don't like sweet, you can just come here and click some pictures and just see. Finding a washroom in city center can be challenging, and it is, trust me. I went to this loo, it's sexy loo, and I paid for €2. अब €2 पे करने के बाद on the slip I saw that we would get discount of that €2 if we go to this erotic museum. So now let me show you the museum. The entry to the museum was for €8 because we paid €2 for paying, so it costed us per person €6. But guys, honestly, worth नहीं लगा मुझे. So it's up to you if you want to go or not. One very important thing to remember when you are in Amsterdam or any city of the Europe कि यहाँ पे सारे restaurants and bars mostly gets closed by 9:30 to 10. So हम थोड़ा late हो गए थे, so most of them are closed. Somehow we found one shop which was open for takeaway, thank God, and we got our food packed. That's all about my second day. Guys, stay tuned for the next part on which I'm going to show you one beautiful Dutch village and my last day at Amsterdam. See you in the next video. Bye.